What's up, everybody? I was sent this item to review. This is the Voical or Voical Air. I'm not exactly sure how the product name is pronounced, but it was sent to me by a company called Pixel. I am not at all associated with Pixel, and they are not paying me to say anything in particular about this. This is a review item, and anything that I say about this is of my opinion, so I am not at all affiliated with Pixel, so what you're going to get out of this is a fair and honest review of this product. That being said, huge thank you to Pixel for sending me this, and I'm going to leave a link to this product in the description below so that if you like this, you can go over to Amazon and buy it for yourself. So I've actually been looking for a wireless mic set for my camera. My current setup is that I'm running this lavalier mic into an extension cable. My camera is about 10 feet away now. I'm using this 50mm lens, so I can't be right up on it, but I don't actually have a wireless mic set, so I run this lav mic into an extension cable into the audio jack on the Panasonic Lumix G7 that I film with, and that's my setup. So I'm really excited to check this out, but I'm getting off track. I've yammered enough. Let's see what's in this box and let's see what we got. Let's do some tests and let's put this thing through the ringer and see how good it is. Alright, so here is our wireless microphone system. It's called the Voical or Voical Air. I'm not sure how you would pronounce that. I would assume it's Voical, from a company called Pixel. We're going to check this thing out. First off, we're going to open this up and see what's inside. The battery endurance says about 6 hours. Service distance is up to 70 meters. And it looks like it mounts right on top of the camera. Now for the fun part, let's see what's in here. Oh, okay, that's cool. It comes in a pretty tough little case here. That's a nice bonus. I didn't expect that. Opening it up here. This is, I can tell you right now, it's just a standard male-to-male 3.5mm audio cable. USB-C cable, probably for charging. Lav mic. I will definitely put that to the test. I would assume that because this is just a 3.5mm lav mic, any lav mic will go into this. So if you have like a Boya BY-M1 like what I have, it will probably go into this system as well if you so choose to use that, or a shotgun mic. And we've got another USB-C cable, and we've got another audio cable. User guide, got a camera shoe mount here, and we have the two boxes themselves. So this is the receiver, and this is the transmitter, and something that is a really cool little feature here, I don't know how good it's going to sound, there's a microphone port right here, and there's an actual built-in mic right on this thing. So if you don't want to use the wired lav mic, you could use the built-in mic. We're going to put them all to the test and see what this sounds like. And they have little belt clips here. This plastic is a little bit, I don't know how well this is going to hold up, but it looks like that just slides right in to there, and you can mount that right on top of your camera. That's awesome. And clip that one to your belt or shirt or whatever, probably belt. Plastic is a little bit, I don't know how well that'll hold up. I wouldn't say it's flimsy, but it's not like rugged either. And as I speak, it's picking up my voice and the audio meter is jumping. That's based on the built-in microphone right here. So this is the built-in mic of the transmitter pack of this device. Microphone check 1 2 3, mic check 1 2 3. This is something that I could see being useful in, say, a street interview type scenario, and this would be at about arm's length. This would be right up on my mouth. This would be probably about where I would hold it if I were speaking into it normally. And of course, I could just clip it onto my shirt like this and look like a complete doofus if I wanted to. Mic check 1 2 3, mic check 1 2 3, built-in mic on the transmitter itself. Mic check 1 2 3, mic check 1 2 3. This is the included lavalier mic that comes with the system. This is me speaking normally as I would do my presentations of this system. Mic check 1 2 3, mic check 1 2 3. This is the included microphone that comes with the Voical Air system. One thing there is to mention, there is an audio jack output on this, so you can plug a headset in, and if you have a situation where you have something like a cameraman behind the camera monitoring the situation, they can listen in and check and see if the audio sounds okay. Another thing I tested was running the audio jack out of the receiver end directly into this little speaker that I have to see. I knew it would work, but I wanted to see that if you could use this in like a PA system, and it works just fine. So if you have something like a stage presentation where somebody's up on a stage and they need to hit a speaker set where your PA is in the back of the room or whatever, this should work for that, as long as it can hit that range of the transmitter to receiver range. So with the onboard mic being tested and the lavalier mic also being tested, I want to just take it a little step further and see if other mics that I have will work with this and see how these are going to work. This is the Boya LM20. This is my favorite microphone that I own. This came in this is just a simple lavalier mic that came with an adapter for a GoPro, but I really like the sound of this mic, and this is what I have been using these days for most of my voiceover work and most of my recordings for everything that I do for this channel. So I want to plug this in to the transmitter pack and see how this sounds. Mic check 1 2 3, mic check 1 2 3. This is a test of the Boya LM20 being plugged into the mic port of the Voical Air transmitter pack. I want to see how this sounds in comparison to the included microphone that comes with the Voical Air transmitter. Mic check 1 2 3, mic check 1 2 3. Now I am certain that this looks 100% jank, but I wanted to test the Takstar SGC 598 shotgun mic running into this transmitter pack. Mic check 1 2 3, mic check 1 2 3. This is the Takstar SGC 598. This is about a $26 microphone. I've used this for a little while. Some people prefer shotgun mics. I prefer lavs, but I do have this and I did want to test it, and I did want to see how this thing was going to sound running into this pack. So again, this is the Takstar SGC 598 shotgun mic. Alright, so I'm in my backyard now. I'm doing a test of this wireless microphone kit from Pixel HK. It's got a range of, it says 70 meters. I'm going to test that out right now. I'm going to walk out back of this field here, and I'm going to just try my best to keep talking as I walk, and hopefully we can get to a range where it will cut out, and hopefully that range is well beyond 70 meters. So again, this is a test of the Voical Air, the Voical Air from Pixel HK. Testing this for my YouTube channel, Lodo Tech, and this is about how I would talk when I do my voiceover work, doing my best to project my voice into the wired lavalier mic. And I would say that this is probably 70 meters right now. This is definitely 70 meters. I'm going to keep going though. I'm going to see if we can get any extra range out of it, because if you get any bonus, good for them. So this right here is probably about 100 meters if I had to guess. I'm not the best gauge of, I'm not the best judge of distance, but I'm going to go ahead and keep going to see if it's picking me up. I am well beyond 70 meters now, so I'm going to start walking back. And this is, again, the Voical Air or Voical Air wireless mic kit. It's run into my GoPro, into the Boya LM20 microphone adapter, into a GoPro Hero 4. And about right here is 70 meters, I believe. So coming on back, should be loud and clear now according to the claims that they make on the box. This is probably about 50 meters. And right about here is 20 meters. Coming on back. And now I'm at about 10 meters, 10 feet. And here I am. I don't know what this is going to sound like until I take it in, put it on the computer, and give it a test. So I'm going to be just as surprised as you are. My absolute biggest annoyance with this system is that sometimes the buttons on both the transmitter and the receiver would stick, and I would have to fiddle around with them to get them to pop back out. As far as a 6-hour battery life goes, I really wouldn't count on it. I was able to get about 2.5 to 3 hours out of the transmitter, and a little bit more than that out of the receiver. But once the transmitter dies, you're not using this system anyway. Alright, so my final thoughts on the Voical Air. I like it. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. Basically, it's got a couple of minor annoyances like the button sticking, and to me it seemed like it was a little choppy on the exact range, and it definitely doesn't hold a 6-hour battery charge. For me, that's not too big of a deal. I'm really not going to be doing any recordings that are going to go, I mean, you know, an hour tops for what I do here. And for the like 3 hours of battery life that I got out of this thing should be fine. I like the sound. I really think that the built-in mic on this thing for like street interview type scenarios sounds awesome. I think the lavalier mic that comes with it is acceptable. It would have been nice to have a dead cat come along with it, because I live in an area that I live by a lake. It's pretty windy here most of the time. Not a big deal. I can pick up a dead cat for it whenever. Once more, I would like to extend a huge thank you to Pixel for sending this item for review. And if you want to buy one of these, there's going to be a link to the Amazon store in the description below. That being said, let me know what you guys think of this. Leave a comment below, let me know. Hit that subscribe button if this was helpful for you, and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow. That's it for now, and I'll see you next time.